Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we talk about and learn some English important MCQs. So let's begin. Which one of the following is antonym of Perzoic while others are synonyms? Okay, the antonym of Perzoic is option D, interesting. Option D is right answer. So the next question is, which one of the following is antonym of apocryphal while others are synonyms? So its answer is option A, genuine. Next question is, to cut long story short means. Its answer is come to the point. Option B is right. Next question, idiom a slap on the wrist means. Its answer is option C, warning and small punishment. So the last question in this video, he writes dash ink. So the correct answer is option B, in.